In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Zoho Books not working on your computer. If you've been struggling with a blank screen, constant loading, or error messages when trying to access your accounting dashboard, don't worry. This is a common issue that many professional users face, and specifically in 2026, most of these problems are tied to browser cache or incorrect regional domain settings. This tutorial will walk you through 3 different levels of troubleshooting to get your business back on track. If this video ends up helping you out today, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more software fixes and business productivity guides. All right, let's dive into the first step. Usually, when Zoho Books stops loading, it is because of a local browser conflict or a temporary account hiccup. To test this, we need to open an Incognito or private window. This allows you to visit the site without your stored history or extensions interfering. If you are using Chrome or Microsoft Edge, press Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard. If you are on Firefox, press Ctrl-Shift-P. Once that private window opens, go directly to books.zoho.com and try to sign in. If everything loads perfectly in this window, then we have identified the problem. Your main browser has a corrupt cookie or a faulty extension that is blocking Zoho Books. Now that we know it is a browser-related issue, let's look at how to clear the Zoho-specific cache so you don't have to delete your entire internet history. Go back to your regular browser tab and click the small lock icon located right next to the URL in your address bar. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Cookies and Site Data. Next, select Manage on-Device Site Data. You will see a list of entries. You want to click the bin or delete icon next to every entry that says zoho.com. After you have cleared those out, click Done and then reload the page. This forces a fresh connection to the Zoho servers and usually clears up any infinite loading screens. If you are still seeing a page not found error, or if the software feels completely stuck, the next big thing to check is your regional domain. Zoho uses different data centers based on your global location. Look at the address bar and check the ending of the URL. If you are located in Europe, your URL should end in .eu. If you are in the United States or many other international regions, it should be .com. Sometimes your browser might try to redirect you to the wrong regional server, which causes a login failure. Manually type in the correct domain for your region and press Enter. Following these steps ensures your browser is clean and you are pointing to the correct server. And that is it. You have successfully resolved the most common issues with Zoho Books not loading. If this video helped you fix your accounting software, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next guide.